In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your kid from purchasing something on Amazon without you knowing. And make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to give you a bonus you don't want to miss. We've all heard of kids racking up thousands of dollars in credit card charges, so let's get into the first way you can protect against your kid doing this to you. So you can click out of this video and get into your Amazon account. When you go into your Amazon account, you will see Prime Video on the left-hand side. Click on Prime Video. Once you get into Prime Video, on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see a little settings gear. Click on Settings, and then once you're inside of Settings, you'll see a tab, and it will say Parental Controls. Once you click on that Parental Control tab, scroll down into Purchase Restrictions and turn that on. If you installed Amazon's mobile app inside of your phone, here are the instructions you should follow. Open your Amazon app and scroll at the top until you see Video. Click on that, and then click on the drop-down menu at the top. Click on Settings, then go to Parental Controls, then scroll down to Purchase Restrictions and turn that on. Once you finish setting up that, go back to your Amazon home menu. At the bottom right, you'll see something called a hamburger menu. That's just like 3 little lines at the bottom. Click on that, and then you'll see something called Your Account. Click on that again, and then scroll down, and you'll see a section called Account Settings. Under the Account Settings section, there is something called One-Click Settings. Click on One-Click Settings because one-click purchasing means that you can purchase something in one click, and you want to make sure that's turned off. And that's it. In the beginning of this video, I said I was going to give you a resource that you did not want to miss. If you want to protect your kids online, which I know you do because you're watching this video, and you want some tips, trick, advice, some relevant news stories just for you straight into your phone, then click the link in this description and you can text me. You can say hey, you can say hi, you can ask me a question. Once you get inside the system, I will be sending you text messages maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks about systems and things, tips, tricks, advice that you need to know as a parent to protect your kids online. If you have any questions for me about this video or anything else in security, let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, of course, always give it a thumbs up. See you soon.